Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the default browser on your iPhone. So let's begin the video. First of all, let me show you a real use case where you want to consider changing the default browser. So let's say I have opened my mail app and I'm going to open this link. So when I'm going to open the link, it's going to open the Safari browser as a default app. However, let's say I want to open Google Chrome or Firefox as a default browser when using the mail app or any other app on my iPhone, because all of my accounts are on Google Chrome or any other browser. So in that case, you might want considering changing the default browser on your iPhone. So before doing though, make sure that you have a second browser. Like here I have Safari and I also have Google Chrome on my iPhone installed. So once you have your second browser which you want to set, all you need to do is to open the settings app. From here, scroll down in the apps section until you find your browser. In my case it's Google Chrome, so it should be present right here. So I'm going to open Chrome, and here you can see it's going to have an option saying default browser app, which is set to Safari. If I click on it, I'm going to select Google Chrome. The process is same for Firefox or any other browser, and that's all. So now if I open my mail app or any other app on the iPhone, and if I click on any link, it's going to open Google Chrome as my default browser. So this is the simplest way to change the default browser on your iPhone. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.